Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Look. Welcome. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Bang! Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you. Bang! Today. All right, we have a great one for you today. Good stuff. All right, so let's check it out. All right. Oh, look at you, Algorand hodlers. Cross-border payments comes to Algorand. Oh, yeah. Algorand's getting into some payments. We're going to check that out. Oh, and then look at these big bad boys. See, here come the big bad boys. Goldman Sachs opens up an Ethereum trading desk. I gone right. I just laugh. The reason I laugh is because, all those big banksters, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs and all that. I remember back in 2018, they were all saying how garbage and bullshit Bitcoin was and crypto was. It was just a Ponzi scheme. It was just a scam. Well, things are a little different now, aren't they? Fuck sticks. So that's why I laugh. Yeah, I like how they... the tune has changed. And then finally, the SEC extends Kryptoin's Bitcoin ETF app by 45 days. So we're going to get to some, that's like sort of paperwork we got to get to there just so I can show you what's going on there. And then shout outs, bang, daily summary, bang. Oh, so let's proceed how we proceed with them. Bang. Oh, we went up a little bit this week, didn't we? This weekend. Yes, a few little gains, but just can't solidly break that 40. All right, hold on, let's do a little refresh. Get the fresh numbers. Bang, $40,021. All right. Let's get up there about the 45, 46 level. Let's play around up there now. Let's go. All right, price of Bitcoin, $40,021. When I left you on Saturday/Sunday, it was $35,336. So we have gone up. $4,685. We've gone up $4,685. Bang! All right. Let's check out the top 10 of the day. Usual daggone suspects. You know how. Oh, hold on. Daggone. Yeah, I decided to do this show early because you know how it gets after playoff time. Got a big game tonight, so I want to enjoy it without thinking of, oh, man, I got to do a show later. All right, look, settle down. Holy, Cardano's chart is crazy looking. All right, what do we talk about? Top 10, guys. Top 10, usual suspects. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and bang, Uniswap. I'm laughing because a friend of mine, he's new to crypto, right? And so, fresh new. Last month new, he just started putting his first money in. So he came over here today to me and he's like, yeah, Bitcoin. So he bought some Bitcoin. He bought some Ethereum. And then he's like, and I bought this other one, Dogi, the one Elon talked to. I was like, oh, you bought that Dogecoin thing? He's like, I don't know if I should have bought that. I'm like, who knows, man? See what happens. See what happens, buddy. That's kind of interesting, right? But the reason I brought that up too is that he's not a crypto guy, but even he heard about, and he's not even like a tech guy. Actually, he's not like that. He's a high-end restaurant guy. You know what I mean? And to hear him, he knew. That's why he bought it. And that's what he told me. He said he bought it because Elon Musk was talking about it. So it was interesting for me to see, like a regular non-crypto person, like not into tech, crypto, any kind of thing like that, but just starting to get his toes in and knowing about, oh, well, Elon Musk said, so I bought it. So think about how many thousands of people out there did the same, right? Is what I guess I'm trying to say. I'm trying to extrapolate out. Right? This one guy said that's what he did. Well, think of all the other thousands that did the same. All right. Anyway, just it was a funny, just thought I don't know, share that because I laughed, and I don't want you to just think I'm laughing like a crazy man for nothing. All right. Market moves of the day. You know how it goes. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Polygon squeezing out a few gains. Whoops, what the hell just happened there? Hold on one second, guys. All right, there we are. Single digits up, single digits down. V-chain. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, yeah. So they're saying right now that a lot of hackers and miscreants, they're moving over to Monero because of, you heard how the cops caught, what was it? They busted something the other day, right? With the Bitcoin. Oh, right. So you heard out here in America, these guys did a ransomware attack on one of our major oil providers in America. Like, I mean, major. I mean, they provided 25% of the gasoline on the East Coast, right? And serviced 7 airports and shit, major international airports, like big. So this was huge. And so they paid the ransom. And then the FBI caught the guys, right? Well, got the money back at least. And I'm sure they're arresting the guys too. And so I guess over the past week, these guys, these little miscreants, they're moving over to Monero now. They're like hoping that the cops can't get them on Monero. All right, from Monero to Bitcoin for your ransomware needs. All right. Single digits up, single digits down. Yo, look at this AMP shit again. Remember, there's that AMP thing again. Remember the other day it was, I don't even know what it was, but look at it's already 92% up for the week. Oh, yeah. It's only a $4 billion company. Room for growth. And look at Shiba. Look at you, Shiba hodlers. All right. So a bunch of my people in my chat room, they bought this Shiba thing just to try it out. I mean, they're not stupid. They know it's not, they know it's a shit coin, but they were just like, fuck it. Let's just do it and see what happens. How much money can we make? I told you one of the brothers, he put in like, I don't remember, $60 and he made 2 G's off of it. Anyways, there it goes. 22% up again today, guys. So bang, bang. Congratulations. All right. Single this up, single this down. Oh, let me get a sip, dang. Oh, look at Clayton. Single this up, single this down. 2 single this up, 2 single this down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Oh, yeah, it's on sale. Bye. All right, some decent sales around these parts. There's that internet computer thing again. It's going to be something, though. It's going to be something. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. I think. We'll see. I mean, sometimes things look so promising. Swift killers. And then they end up being, yeesh, nothing. All right, guys. Top 10 of the day. Whoa. Bottom 10 of the day. Internet computer, Kusama, Theta Fuel, Nano, Polkadot, Phantom, Compound, Unicellular, Chainlink, and Cosmos. Let's see who made money today. Oh, yeah, we're going to be the Swift killer. Oh, yeah. All right. Top 10 of the day. Oh, yeah, Chili's. Look. Top 10, Shiba, AMP, Clayton, Chili's, Icon, Stacks, Thorchain, Waves, The Graph, and Terra. All right, let's see what the total market cap is. It's getting a little bit more decent. Look. All right. Total market cap is $1.702 trillion. When I left you on Saturday/Sunday, it was $1.504 trillion. We've gone up 0.198 trillion dollars. All right, let's look at 24-hour volume. Holy, so small. All right. Yeah, we've been under 100. We've been under 100 billion. Like 3 days in a row now. All right. Anyways, where are we here? 24-hour volume, $87.8 billion. And when I left you on Saturday/Sunday, we were at $79.2 billion. So we've gone up. $8.6 billion. All right, let's move on. Holy, these 24-hour volumes are so tiny. Under 100 billion? All right. Look at Shiba. Oh, yeah. All right, let's move on. But let's get to the stories. So, former PayPal employees launched decentralized cross-border payment network on Algorand. Look. Oh, yeah. And so, let's read the byline. Fueling cross-border transactions with regulated... Hold on, let me make sure you can see me. Fuck, I don't want that shit from last week. Oh, you see? I'm not even on the fucking screen, am I? Hold on. Wait. Bang! Oh, here I am. There I am. Hello, everybody. Hello. See? Gotta press the right buttons around these parts. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you. All right. All right, so here I am now. Fuck. All right, good. Glad I checked that. So, well, you did get to see this part. So, look at the byline. Fueling cross-border transactions with regulated stablecoins to represent fiat on-chain has never been done before, said Borderless Capital CEO David Garcia. So nice. So here comes Algorand. Getting into that cross-border payments. Crypto. There's such an obsession with cross-border payments in crypto land. That's pretty funny. Everyone obsesses about cross-border payments, right? All right. Let's check it out. So, two former PayPal workers in business and technology have launched a cross-border payment system aimed at faster, cheaper, and more transparent payments. In an announcement on Tuesday, fintech infrastructure firm 6 Clovers said it launched its Rapid network, which connects banks, merchants, and payment providers, allowing clients to transact in digital currencies and fiat. All right. Founded by former PayPal employees Jim Nguyen and Nas Kavian, and backed by venture capital firm Borderless Capital, the network is built on the Algorand blockchain and employs the technology behind stablecoins to represent fiat. So Algorand hodlers, bang! That's an onboarding. That's called an onboarding. That's called revenue generating. It's called working product. So, 6 Clovers is creating a bridge between traditional and decentralized finance. I think we're going to talk about a DeFi thing tomorrow from a bank in Europe somewhere. Anyway, we'll get there when we get there. Let's just deal with one nightmare at a time. One nightmare at a time, folks. That's what this guy used to always tell me. I'd ask him something and he'd be like, Shomari, man, Forget that. Let's just deal with one nightmare at a time. Okay, look. So Six Clovers is creating a bridge between traditional and decentralized finance, expanding access to the next generation of digital products and services, said Algorand CEO Steve Kokinos. The project claimed that its network will offer an alternative for payment providers currently using the SWIFT protocol for cross-border payments. Rapid uses USD coin, USDC, to represent fiat on the Algorand blockchain, provides peer-to-peer transactions, and can purportedly handle up to 46,000 transactions a second. All right. Fueling cross-border transactions with regulated stablecoins to represent fiat on-chain has never been done before, said Border Capital CEO David Garcia. The network is going to unleash a wave of mass blockchain adoption across banks, merchants, and payment providers as they see the need to embrace the digital future. Oh, yes, it's going to unleash a wave. A wave. It's going to save the planet. Feed the hungry. All right. It's CEO talk, right? They're always the way they talk. Right? It's always, it's, oh, yeah. Anyways, a proof of stake protocol, Algorand said its blockchain is fully carbon neutral as of April. Holy, see how these guys are getting into this carbon neutral talk because of the Elon thing? When he said like, oh, Bitcoin's so dirty and all this. Oh, and now he says he's going to accept the Bitcoin when Bitcoin gets more environmentally friendly or whatever. Anyway, whatever, man. Who gives a fuck about what he says, man? So look, proof of stake protocol. Oh, we read that. Fully carbon neutral as of April. The project has implemented a sustainability oracle in partnership with Climate Trade to notarize its on-chain carbon footprint and then lock the equivalent amount of carbon credits into a green treasury. Bang! All right, so there you go. Algorand hodlers. Not only are you getting the new onboarding here, but daggone it, you are environmentally friendly and green. All right. So look. Well, so this is amazing. They're going to use a stable coin to do it. And he said a regulated stable coin. So, and there you go. Everyone's dreams of cross-border payments. So they're coming to fruition. Crypto world, right? Crypto land. Everyone's obsessed with this cross-border payment stuff. I don't know why everyone is so obsessed with that shit. All right. I mean, when I was a kid, we'd get a Western Union. It'd be there in 10 minutes. Like, what's the big deal? We've had cross-border payments in this world for a long, long time. Arabs, before the computers even came out, they had what's called I believe it's called a Wahala network or a Hawala network, something like that. Yeah, they've been sending money back and forth between the Middle East and Europe for fucking hundreds of years. Well, maybe not hundreds. Maybe 100. Anyways, cross-border payments. All right. Good. But let's get to the next story. Goldman Sachs crypto trading desk expands to Ether. So look at you, Goldman. Oh, yeah. I thought this crypto shit was just a scam, just a Ponzi scheme. Just a bunch of miscreants running around doing miscreant behavior. That's how they made it sound. Yes, well, things are a little different now, aren't they? Yes. Things are a little different now. While they were running away from crypto a couple years ago, yeah, these fuckers can't get their hands on it fast enough. Right? I mean, like I've told you, the only reason they don't come buy the rest of this stuff is because they're not allowed. They're only allowed the Ethereum and the Bitcoin right now, at least here in America. And so, things have changed a little bit now. All right, so let me have a sip and we shall proceed. All right, brand new trading desk for Ethereum. You'll see. Wait till this shit gets regulated proper. There'll be trading desks for everything. All right, look. Let's check it out. So, United States investment bank Goldman Sachs is planning to offer Ethereum derivatives products in the coming months, setting the stage for wider adoption of the second largest cryptocurrency and marking a significant departure from the institution's critical stance on distributed assets in the past. A little critical, weren't you? You were being naughty. So, Matthew McDermott, Goldman's managing director of digital assets, confirmed Monday that the investment bank is expanding into Ether options and futures. So they're going to be selling options on Ether and futures contracts on Ether. In an interview with Bloomberg News, McDermott said institutional demand for cryptocurrencies will continue to grow despite the recent bout of market volatility. Of course it will. And here he is. Institutional adoption will continue despite the material price correction. We continue to see a significant amount of interest in this space. So McDermott referenced a survey of 850 institutions last week, in which nearly 10% of respondents said they're trading cryptos and 20% are interested in entering the market. Institutional inflows into Ether products have amounted to nearly $1 billion this year alone, with total assets worth roughly 11.1 billion according to CoinShares. Goldman launched limited BTC coin. All right, settle down, Shomari. Bitcoin derivatives trading desk in early May. The new outfit is embedded within the bank's Global Currencies and Emerging Markets division and is overseen by McDermott's digital asset unit. Goldman's embrace of digital assets goes far beyond its trading desks. As Cointelegraph reported, the bank recently led a $15 million investment fund for Coinmetrics, a leading cryptocurrency intelligence platform. McDermott said Goldman is looking at a number of different companies that fit our strategic direction. So, bang! There you go. Here comes Goldman. Mega bank. You all know who Goldman is. I don't have to say it. Yeah, they're opening up a trading desk just for Ether. So they got the Bitcoin trading desk. Bang! And now they're opening up an Ether trading desk. Bang! And, yeah, it's just a matter of time until things get regulated enough where they're going to open up a trading desk for all the rest of this, for all the rest of these altcoins here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? For all the rest of these altcoins. But for now, we get the Bitcoin and the Ether, so bang! Let's be happy and move on. Right? But the thing is, like when you got big names like this, Goldman fucking Sachs, like, you know what I mean? All the banksters around the world see this. They're like, oh, fuck. If the Americans are doing it, it's got to make money. Because, Americans don't do anything unless something makes money. You know what I'm saying? Americans don't even have health care here unless the hospitals make money. They'll let someone die of cancer if they can't pay the hospital bill. I mean, that's America, If someone's not making money, nothing gets done. And so when you see Goldman Sachs being like, yeah, dog, we're opening up a whole trading desk. Wow. Other banksters around the world aren't stupid. You know what I'm saying? And like I've always said, I always say it. I know I've said it 100 times on this channel, but, it's a copycat world, right? If this guy's making money like that over there, well, I could just do the same thing right here and make money, right? And so why not, right? It's a copycat world. And so it's beautiful when big companies, big banks, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and these kind of guys, when they start doing stuff with crypto, because, it opens the eyes of the other banksters around the world, and they want to compete. They want to compete hard. And so, it incentivizes them to get the fuck on board and get in here and start doing your bankster stuff. All right, so good. Great stuff, Goldman Sachs. All right, let's move on. Bang, the SEC extends Kryptoin's Bitcoin ETF. Hold on. Bitcoin ETF by 45 days. Hold on, my head's in the way a little bit there. There you go. So, all right, so this is more of just an update for you guys. You guys know there's about, I don't know, what do we got? about 5 to 8 ETF applications in with the SEC right now. You guys know we got Gary Big Brains Gensler in there. Now, that doesn't guarantee approval of an ETF, so let's be realistic. But it sure does make it a little... It allows you to hope a little more. You know what I'm saying? It allows you to hope a little more. If for anyone else, you'd be like, all right, well, we'll just see. But with this guy, don't be afraid to have a little hope. But it doesn't guarantee anything, so let's be realistic. No, I know. That's a downer thing to say. And the fact that they're extending the application instead of just approving it, but the fact that they're extending it instead of just denying it is also yay. All right, thumbs up on that one. So this is another one. The Van Eck one, the Van Eck ETF application, they extended for 45 days. I think we're supposed to hear about that one by the end of this month, no? Or early next month, for sure. Or they could extend it again, we'll see. But the fact that they're not just denying these things, the ETF applications I think is good. From a regulatory standpoint, they could just say no. And that's the end of it, right? So the fact that they're like, all right, well, just give us a little more time to think about it, right? Well, all right, as long as you're thinking about it, as long as you're thinking about it, then there's hope. You know what I'm saying? And so, yeah, so let me get a sip and we'll proceed here. I don't know. Today in Congress, so here in America, we got two parties, the Democrats and the Republicans. The Democratic Party, they set up a crypto working group today. They set it up today. Maybe I should read that tomorrow or something. Well, there's nothing to read there. They're just setting it up to talk about the rules. I mean, that they're going to make or whatever. So we'll see about that. Yeah, that's not worth reading a whole story to you guys about, but that's what happened today. The Democrats set up a cryptocurrency working group. And we'll see. All right, let's check out the story. So the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has extended the review period for Kryptoin's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund application. The regulator disclosed the update in a notice dated on June 9th. The SEC said, what day is it today? Oh, it's the 15th. The SEC said its decision would be delayed for another 45 days, ending in July 27th. So SEC delays another ETF application. But I mean, this does give you hope. But I must say, with Gensler in there, I was just hoping for approval after approval after approval. But you guys know in Canada, so now I'm just talking from my own head here, okay? But these are just my own thoughts, my own analysis. But you guys know how over there in the Germans, in Switzerland, they're dropping ETP after ETP after ETP. We read about them, right? And then remember up there in Canada, they've got six ETFs, right? 3 Bitcoin. I remember they dropped that 3-piece chicken of Ethereum ETFs, bang, 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 all in one day. So, and then the problem here in America is that the SEC keeps saying, well, we want to protect the consumer against market manipulation, right? Soccer mom and daddy against market manipulation, which you should, which is key. No one wants to be cheated. You know what I mean? If you make a wrong choice and your trade doesn't work, well, you just made a wrong choice. But if you get cheated out of your money, well, that's not cool. And so I agree with it. But now we have an example, especially up there in Canada, because they have ETFs. And whereas the ones in Europe are ETPs, but it's the same shit. But a little different, but the same. And we've had no like there's been no regulator saying, oh, we got to shut down this fund because we see market manipulation activity happening within this ETP here, right? We haven't seen that. We haven't seen any of that. And so I hope that Gensler and the boys at the SEC take that into account, right? We have examples. You're saying, well, there could be market manipulation. Well, there could. Sure, there could. Just like your stock market. And every market, really. But I mean, let's take a look at the ETFs and ETPs that are actually here on Earth right now in the wild already. No problems yet. So, I mean, and like I always say, well, you're the SEC. If you find market manipulation, well, then go arrest some motherfuckers. Right? That's the problem that we had with the last guy. That fucker, Jay Cockblocker Clayton. He kept saying, well, there could be market manipulation, so we're not going to give it to you. Well, you're the cops. You go arrest the market manipulators, give us what we want, and then if someone's a miscreant, we'll go get them. And so I hope that Gensler takes a different tack of doing his job and giving us what we need to give us the bang bang that we really want. All right. So the delay of the Delaware-based investment advisory firm's application makes it the latest extension the SEC has announced in the last few weeks. Yeah, here we go, right here. So last month, the SEC postponed Wisdom Tree's I forgot about that one. Bitcoin application reviewed by 45 days. And then Van Eck's bid got a similar treatment in April. So that's the one I'm talking about. That Van Eck one should be coming up for decision, April, May, June, right? 45 days. Yeah, so by the end of this month, well, it depends on when in April it was. But by the end of this month or early next month, we should get that Van Eck decision. And just fingers crossed, brothers and sisters. Fingers crossed, man. Because once one gets unleashed, bang, 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 we're on our way. That will be a mega catalyst for the market. Like that will banksters, hedge funds, everybody, all of us, everyone. It'll be ecstasy. It'll be a fucking. I tell you right now, once the first one is approved, yeah, this market will rally like crazy. We will be rallying like crazy. But I don't want to get too happy about that because we don't know yet. I know big brains. Like I said, big brains. You use a Bitcoin master, a crypto master, a blockchain master, but it doesn't guarantee approvals. So we'll just see. We got to just wait and see. So according to the agency's notice, Kryptoin's application was delayed to allow it to have adequate time to consider the proposal rule change. The notice said, the Commission finds that it is appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and the comments received. In other words, we need to think about this a little longer. Kryptoin first applied for a Bitcoin ETF in 2019, and after a year and a half of inactivity, the firm filed for an amendment in April this year. Oh, so this fucking shit? Whatever, man. This is just an amended application. This isn't even a new one. In its first filing, Kryptoin chose to list its shares on the New York Stock Exchange, but later changed it to CBOE BZX in the amended filing. Both Wisdom Tree and Van Eck also named CBOE as their planned listing exchange. Chicago Board of Options Exchange is the CBOE. The Kryptoin ETF provides exposure to Bitcoin using the CF Bitcoin U.S. settlement price as its pricing mechanism, its price discovery. Founded in 2016, Kryptoin Investment Advisors is a financial services company run by Jason Toussaint. So will the SEC approve a crypto ETF this year? Fuck, that's the magic fucking question, isn't it? That's the fucking magic question. We got big brains in there. Holy. If not him, who? If now, when? Thank God. I tell you right now, man. Once that is approved, last year's OCC announcement in July that all the banks could custody crypto, bang. That set the feet on fire of all the banksters. That's why you see all these banks like this, like Goldman Sachs opening new trading desks and everything. Yeah, they know it's coming. It's just a matter of when. The waiting is the hardest part. I tweeted this tweet this weekend to everyone. It's John, what's his name? Tom Petty. The waiting is the hardest part or something. I don't know what the song's called, but if you listen to that song, it's exactly what we're going through. The waiting, right? We all know what's going to happen. It's like being a woman and she's got a man who loves her. The man loves her to death. She knows it. He knows it. Right? They know they're going to be together. The question is, when is this motherfucker going to ask her to marry you? You know what I'm saying? When is this motherfucker going to pop the question? That's it. The magic question. Right? And that's what we are like here. We're like a girl. We're faithful. We love him. He loves us. Oh, he loves us. He just started trading desks. He loves us. But when is he going to pop the question? You know what I'm saying? When are we going to get official with this shit? And that's what's going down in crypto land here in terms of at least the U.S., the United States regulatory landscape is, we all know where this is going. Right? We all know where this is going. Well, let's get there. You know, let's just fucking get there and go. All right? We all know there's going to be a Bitcoin ETF one day. So what are you waiting for? Right? Like, right? That's how a girl must feel. Look, I know you love me, buddy. I want to be your wife and have kids with you. Would you just ask already? Would you just ask me already? Fuck. Right? So that's what we are, guys. It's a bunch of girls getting asked to be brides. A bunch of girlfriends asked. We're just a bunch of girlfriends waiting to ask to be brides, to get upgraded to bride status. Shit. These sons of bitches are taking a long time. Don't worry. They won't have cold feet. They're going to get to it. All right, guys. So will the U.S. approve a crypto ETF? That's a perfect example. Just waiting for the question. Just come on. All right. You love me, I love you. We know this is going to go down. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Let's read. So the U.S. is yet to allow a Bitcoin-based it's so true, though. With this, right? We all know. Shit, we know. All right. Don't you hate that? Everybody knows. You know, Johnny and Susie, they're going to get married one day. Of course they are. Look at them. They love each other. Look how they look into each other's eyes and hold each other's hands. They can't keep their hands off each other, right? So just do it. Okay, enough. I'm sorry. Daggone. The fuel's kicking in. You know how it goes, guys. You know how it goes around here. Around the second or third story, the fuel starts kicking in. Things get a little good. All right, guys. So look, the U.S. is yet to allow a Bitcoin-based ETF, with the SEC pointing to the Bitcoin market's vulnerability to manipulation. Holy fuck. See? That's the problem. They're afraid of the miscreants. You're the SEC. You go arrest miscreants. But I know they don't want, that's the problem, you know, not a problem, it's a good thing, but that's the thing about America. People don't understand the American investment system. Yeah, man, they keep soccer mom and dad safe, motherfucker. They keep them safe. You don't want soccer mom or dad getting ripped off, and then you have to go into an election, like if you're a president, and some fuckstick robbed, robbed 1 million Americans of their money because of some legislation, some rule you did. Yeah, well, they're going to be pissed off at you. You allowed them to do this, you motherfucker. All right, so it's better not to give I understand the concept. It's better not to give the ETF. All right, then no one will be angry, right? Because there won't be manipulation, and no one can be angry that they lost their money because of something I did. Well, my administration did, right? So, that's political stuff, right? But come on, man. As you can see, I just said it. Germany, no manipulation. Switzerland, no manipulation. Canada, no manipulation. Let's go. Ask the question. Let's get married. Let's do this thing. All right. So, the blah, 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 vulnerability to manipulation, among other concerns. As its rationale for rejecting all such applications. That's been the one reason. So at the moment, there are 8. Okay, so there's 8 of them. Active ETF applications before the SEC. So we've got 8 applications before the SEC. 3 of them have been put off. So I guess the other 5 we're still waiting for. Wow. Their regular time. So apart from the previously mentioned VanEck and Wisdom Tree, other firms that have filed for Bitcoin ETFs include NYDIG, Valkyrie, Skybridge Capital, Simplify, and BAG! Fidelity! There's no way they can deny Fidelity. There's no way. Well, we'll see. All right, so Wisdom Tree and VanEck are the only 2 companies that have also filed for Ethereum ETFs. So all those other ones were Bitcoin ones, but Wisdom Tree and VanEck have applied for Ethereum ETFs in addition to their Bitcoin ETFs. They're trying to get right on board. So this signifies that Ethereum ETFs are gaining more popularity as retail and institutional investors look to gain exposure to the digital asset without investing in it directly. Right? Like I've told you, an ETF is an exchange-traded fund. So you make money off the price movement of the asset in the fund, but you don't have to buy that asset, right? Like, so a person, a hedge fund, whoever, you don't have to buy Ethereum and custody it and all this crap. You just buy the ETF and they handle all the bull crap for you, kind of thing, right? It's kind of lazy investing, really. It's kind of a little bit lazy, right? An ETF is basically, you worker bees, your 401k, all it is a fund. It's not an ETF. In other words, it's not exchange traded, but that's what your 401k is. It's a fund, and it's invested with a bunch of shit inside, right? Microsoft, Apple, Google, Caterpillar, Boeing, Ford, Chevy, whatever's in there. Well, and those are American ETFs, 401ks. In your country, it's whatever your country's stock market is. And, right, but you don't hodl it. You don't have to do anything. You just, all right, it's just, you have it, right? And that's what an ETF, ETP is. You don't have to own Bitcoin. I don't need a Ledger wallet and cut and paste and download this and all this. You just buy the ETF, press one button, boop, and you own some. My bad. You don't own some. You own the derivative that's attached to that asset. So here's Bitcoin, the asset. Here's a Bitcoin ETF. You buy the ETF. An ETF goes up and down based on the underlying asset, which is, in this case, Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, your ETF goes up. Bitcoin down, like that. But you don't. If you actually bought Bitcoins, you'd have to cut and paste and, like I said, do all this ledger stuff or whatever. But with an ETF, well, you could just go on your E-Trade account, press a button, boop. All right, there you go. You own Bitcoin now. And your Bitcoin, your ETF, what you just bought, will go up and down with the price of Bitcoin, the underlying asset, right? Or the asset in the basket, whatever way you want to look at it, right? All right. Look, several factors have driven Ethereum's popularity and increasing institutional adoption among investors. These include decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, and improvement in the crypto assets infrastructure. A planned upgrade from proof of work to proof of stake has also piqued investors' interest. If Van Eck and Wisdom Tree's Ether ETF applications are approved, they would be the first set of Ethereum ETFs in the US, but not the first in North America. Yeah, exactly. Canada, remember Canada? That was that three-piece chicken. Bang, 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 approved. All in one weekend. They just approved 3 of them in one weekend. They're like, fuck it, here. That's how it's got to go. Well, we'll see, though. 3 Ethereum ETFs have already been approved and are available in Canada on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And that's what I mean. They have ETFs in Canada already, and so are they being manipulated? Are investors being ripped off? No. So, yeah, I'm saying. In other words, I can understand if you said no because it could be. Sorry, there was a bug in my face. I'm sorry, I can't approve this ETF because there's a possibility of manipulation. Sure, I understand that. We have to protect the American consumer. But now we see ETFs actually launched in the wild. And there is no manipulation of them. So you can be safe there'll be no manipulation here. Per se. You know what I'm saying? All right, so Canada has also approved several Bitcoin ETFs. And these funds have grown exponentially in a few months with massive investor interests. Exactly. Once they do this ETF thing here in America, that's what I'm telling you. This will be a catalyst. Oh my gosh, our market is going to explode. Fuck. Boom. You know, like when fucking Bitcoin Kong, he always puts the piggy wiggy, right? When she jumps in the thing and then boom. That's what's going to happen. That's exactly what's going to happen. Once that first one, holy, once the first one is approved, this market is going to explode. Explode. Like a big old piggy wiggy just jumped right in and boom. Oh, man, guys. Just look at Canada, right? What does it say? Right? They unleashed their ETFs this year. We read about them. Of course we did. You know, that's what we do around these parts. And, right? Have grown exponentially in a few months with massive investor interests. Yeah, well. Wait till a Bitcoin ETF shows up on Soccer Mom's E-Trade account. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It's game on. All right, guys, let's stop. Let's stop. I'm getting too happy. In the U.S., investors continue to be optimistic that the SEC's new crypto-conscious chairman, Gary Gensler, will approve an ETF soon. I'm not going to bullshit you. That's what I'm. Big Brains. That's what he is. That's his name. Big Brains Gensler. Gary Big Brains Gensler. That's our man. And I'm not going to bullshit you. How do I put this? How do I put this? He's the man. So a guy like me, Shomari, I know Gensler. He used to be the chairman of the CFTC. He used to be a market master from before. So I know him from the real world. Well, from the traditional, let's put it that way, the traditional trading world. And I am hoping so badly, that he's going to give it to us. All right, let's move on, man. Fuck. Let's go. Gensler, Big Brains Gensler. So look. All right, the SEC extends Kryptoin's Bitcoin ETF application for 45 days. And so we're still ETF-less here in America. But come on. We can get her done. All right, let's move on. But what we got? Trini Crypto, Trini Gal, Wagwan Gal, Love Your Girl, See You Girl. Bang. New, what do you call this? Follower. Bernard Mayer, Love the Zebra, the bang. Oh, and here it is. The waiting is the hardest part. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I had to sing that. I know. Don't worry. I'm not going to sing again. Don't worry. I'm not going to sing again. I know I can't sing. I know I can't sing. Look, it's cruel. It's cruel, Shomari. Leave them alone. Stop singing. But I tweeted this thing. It's Tom Petty. The Waiting. Oh, the song is called The Waiting. And it's true. The Waiting. The Waiting. So come on here and listen to the song. And I put the song up there and I was kind of like, I hope everyone doesn't think I'm making fun of them. I hope you guys all got that, right? We're all waiting together. All right, Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Lovey Kong. See Kong. Bang. Sunny Babe. Spy Lady. Putting on the silencer. Love it, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love the cheaper. Bang. Edwin Koval, the original. Crazy Edwin. Look. Love the cheaper. Bang. Gonna help me buy my property in upstate New York. Daggone. KJ Gatsby. Well, I'm gonna ask you to help me anyway. I don't know if he's gonna do it or not. Maybe he'll be too rich and too busy. Look, but we'll see. All right, KJ Gatsby. Love the cheaper. Bang. Beautiful bralees. Dad, got it. All right. This lady just won't stop, will she? Love it, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Abundantly me. Love the sea brother and the kid. Bang. Universal Misanthrope. Loyalist. From Europe. Bang. With the fat. Daggone portfolio. Love the sea brother. Bang. Doing it right. Putting a little bit away every paycheck. Into the crypto. Bang. Into the warehouse. Bang. Building his cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang. Building the cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang. And filling it with revenue generating product. Oh, yeah. So when the time comes, well, bang. It's party time. Let's see the bang. Get 2 bangs. Radster holding down the Eastern European insurgency in Prague. Now, he's been with us for a long time. And he's been building his cryptocurrency warehouse for a long time. So I know it's looking good already. Oh, yeah, brother. But don't worry. Let's do a little more, though. Let's go a little more, though. I know already. I know the money's good already, but let's go a little more, Rodster. Build the cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang. Build the cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang. Fill it with working product. You already know. You've heard it a million times. Learn but see brother. Bang. And Lorna, here's one. She learned it too. She learned it real quick. She came late. She came late to the markets. She only came here last year. But she didn't fuck around. She said, she knew she was late. So you got to buy a lot. It's not like back in the days when we could buy a little bit, and just, it builds. She was late. She's like, oh, yeah, fuck this. I'm filling the crypto warehouse. She said, look, Miss Krantz. I'm all in. Bang. That's how she did it. Love you, girl. Where is she? Dang on, I'm running away. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Where you going, girl? Dang on. Look. Fire buddy. Love but see brother. Bang. Native Warrior. Now, these boys have been around for a long, long time, too. Oh, yeah, they're making money already, too. We'll get there, though. We'll get to the biggest stuff later. But look. One of the Pascu Yaqui tribe. Look, Native Warrior. V-Chain Master. Bang. V-Chain Hodla. Bang. All the Pascu Yaqui tribe, they're V-Chain Masters. See their V's? Oh, oh yeah. Look. The bang. Banks, new brother in town. Love the brother. Bang. Yeah, he's been hanging out, doing good. Bang. Build that warehouse, Banks. Oh, look at this son of a bitch right here. Look. Bang. 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 Got you wrong, Kaz. Yeah, drop a 007. Ha ha. Got you wrong, Kaz. Son of a man. Yeah, we've been doing this a long time, brother. Daggone, when we going to get paid out this thing, huh? Don't worry. I know you already know because he's a killer. Airdropper, he's a killer. Yeah, like a real one. He's a stock market boy, though. Dumbass. Just kidding. 007. Plus, he's rocking some good arbitrage and whatnot. Love you, brother. See you, brother. No, save you, brother. Bye. Holy fuck, he saved a brother with a note, I'll tell you that. All right. Grudgeable. Love you, brother. Bye. Dino Jankovic. Oh, this is actually Airdropper's buddy right here. Love you, brother. The Netherlands boys. These boys are rolling in here deep. Him and Van Brienen. All three of them. Love you, brother. Bye. They probably even slipped in a few little spies in here, even daggone. Oh, here's the chief of the tribe, Paskuyaki tribe, chief of the Paskuyaki tribe, V-Chain Master, bye, V-Chain Hodler, bye, V-Chain Killer, bye, Tool Master. Oh, yeah. Wars cost money, chief. Let's get this money. Let's get these tools. Let's bring order back to this space. Love and see brother. Bang to this country, I mean. All right. Bit him. Connecting the dots. And we will. Love and see brother. Bang. Oh, new person. What we got here? Algo. Chad. All I see is Algo. Well, good, because I just did an Algo story for you. And now it looks like you're going to be seeing some cross-border payments, Algo Chad. Cross-border payments, buddy. Love and see brother. Bang. And then DP. So when you slow it down. Yeah. When you light the candles. When you cook a nice dinner for the girl. Why? Because it's DP Entertainment. And he's a soul brother. Oh, yeah. Soul brother. Smooth. Love of the Z brother. Bang. Soul brother. He's a soul brother. Look. Oh, you know how soul brothers do. Little wine. Little candle. All right, ladies. Settle down. All right, Crypto Lab, what we got here? The latest updates about the world of cryptocurrencies. All right, Crypto Lab. Let's see the bang. What we got here? Dong dong. Let's see the bang. Stocks and bongs. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a good combo right there. Markets and bongs are nice. You got something to put in them. Yeah. Look. Oh, wait. Hold on. We got to read his thing. Stock market, cryptocurrencies, and investment info amplification, plus cannabis industry marketing. DM for infos. All right. Let's see them. Bang. Can I DM you for some free fucking cannabis? Yeah. If you put DM me for some free cannabis. Oh, daggone. Yeah, that'd be a different story right there. Vint77, Lover of the Zebra, the bang. Oh, Universal Misanthrope, what'd he say? As a loyalist, I'm immune to short-term corrections. Even when the world comes crashing down, I'll still hold my position by your side. Bang! That's my warrior. Exactly, brother. That's how we do here on Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. We ain't fucking around these parts. We ain't here for decentralization. We ain't here for fucking, what do you call this thing? Banking the unbanked. We're here for straight cash, homie, and we're going to get it. And bang, by my side. Well, with a guy like Misanthrope, believe me, you feel safe. Bang, brother. Oh, yeah. You not feel safe, you'll be safe. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You'll be fucking safe. All right. Jamala Sim, hey, haven't seen you, brother, for a while. Haven't talked to you for a minute, privately, usually. All right, love brother, see you, brother. Bye. Glad to see you out here hanging out with the rest of us. All right, Pi Network. Pi is a new digital currency developed by Stanford PhDs with over 18 million members worldwide. Start mining now for free on your smartphone app. What? Hey, guys, hold on. Let's slow down from the funny stuff. Did you hear that? Stanford PhDs, 18 million users. But I like this. Start mining from your smartphone. Look, folk. I suggest everyone go take a look at Pi Network. Just want to make some free cash right there like that. Well, hopefully it's doing something. All right, Pi Network. I just told my people to come check you out. Bang! And actually, I'm going to come check you out. Oh, yeah. Just for my fucking phone? Sure, why not? That ain't no big deal. Love you guys. See you guys. Keep up the good work. And fucking generate some revenue, motherfuckers. Because I'm coming. Bang! Is that everyone? Oh, Andrew Racheta, the enforcer. Look, just with the squiz, you daggone miscreant. Blah! That's how he does it. Mr. Racheta, I'm going to sell my crypto. What? Blah! Settle down. Juice with squeeze. Then go home to your wife. Andrew, the enforcer Racheta. Love everybody, see brother. Bang! All right, he keeps them in line. He keeps the soccer dads in line when they get scared. Oh, look at all these followers. All right, let's do these followers and then let's get out of here. All right, this is someone adding me to some list that I didn't ask to be added to, but great. But we're not doing that guy. Nick Van Ginneken. Oh, hey. He's trying to be like a Van Brienen. Oh, yeah. Van Ginneken, that's close, but not close enough. That's not Van Brienen level. But still, that's the level to get you love and a bang. Love brother, see brother. Bang! Love and a bang. Thomas Bob. Cryptocurrency trading. All right. Love brother, see brother. Bang! What? Where's she? Sylvia. Yeah. That's an interesting name. Huh. Where's she? Sylvia. Yeah. All right. Well, love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. That's an interesting name. BFC trading. Trader. All right. Man, a few words. Love you, see you, bang. All right. And that's everybody. Just had to take one quick peek. All right. Oh, all right. So there's the following. Edward Chen, friendly. All right. Love with the bang. And finally, Algo Chad, love with the bang. And then we got Spy Lady. So we'll end it with Spy Lady right there. You know what Spy Lady's up to. I guess we don't know what she's up to. So we'll just leave it at that. Let's get away from her while she does her stuff. So let's get back to the Death Star. Bang! All right. So we had a great show for you today. Of course we did. This is the greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show on Earth. Greatest show ever conceived by the mind of man. Ever conceived by the mind of a man. Oh, yeah. Fuck. It's pretty wild, huh? All right. So you're welcome. All right, guys. So you're welcome. You're welcome that I conceived it in my brain. Oh, I thought I'd take a picture. All right. Take a piece of art. Take a black thing. Just a black, what do you call these? The backdrops. Take a few lights and a soundboard. Yeah. And I'd give you the greatest show ever conceived in the history of man. Yeah, in the history of man. Ever conceived. Who knew it would be so simple? Who knew it could be so simple? Okay, guys, seriously, though. Look, seriously, though. Fuck. Hold on. We had a great show for you today. Fuck. All right, come on, let's go. All right, cross-border payments. In the history, it conceived in the mind of a man. No man has ever conceived of such a thing. Until now. All right, guys. Cross-border payments come to Algorand. So, well, I guess the title really just says it all. Cross-border payments are now available on Algorand. So, but let's get into it, though. But so that company, they said that they're going to use Algorand and that they're going to use regulated stablecoins for cross-border payments on Algorand, using Algorand blockchain. So, I mean, great. You know, like great. Yeah, there's not really anything to say about that. It's just another onboard. So if you're an Algorand hodler, bang! Another onboarding for you guys. You know, cross-border payments thing, you know, I mean, I know in the crypto world, there's this huge fantasy and this huge, not fantasy, that's not the word, but there's this huge love for anything that does cross-border payments or payments. I guess because of Bitcoin is the beginning, and so everyone thinks payments are some big deal or something, but, and so this is amazing. I don't know, that's all there is to say about that. So Algorand hodlers, bang! All right. Now here's really amazing. Goldman Sachs opens up an Ethereum trading desk. Bang, 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 bang. Ha, ha, ha. Look. Oh, yeah. All right. They thought it was a piece of shit a couple years ago, didn't they? Well, calling all manner of names. Throwing out dirty words like Ponzi scheme, scam. Oh. Things are a little different now, aren't they? Look, little bankster. Well, I guess he's a big bankster. It's Goldman Sachs. Look here, you big old bankster. With your fat belly and your big old caviar and your champagne. Look. Things are a little different now, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Oh, you're daggone right they are. Because look, now you got a trading desk. Ethereum trading desk. And so, again, though, let's get a little bit more serious, though. Let me get a sip, though. Everything was Bitcoin. And even on the ETF angle, remember, everything was Bitcoin back in 2018 and 19 when these guys were trying to get ETFs back in the days. It's so funny. It's only a couple of years ago, and you're like, back in the days. So back in the days, right, they were trying to get these Bitcoin ETFs. Could never. Jay Cockblocker Clayton at the SEC, at least here in America. And so I guess what I'm trying to say is you see that and that's okay, let me say this properly. You see the like the guy Goldman Sachs guy just said, you see the interest in Ethereum as well as the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is like money, right? Well, it's like a digital brick of gold is how I look at it. Whereas Ethereum is just this thing out there, and I can build distributed apps and smart contracts and fucking NFT shit, and you know, it's wild, right? Isn't it? Ethereum, it's wild. I could just build all this shit on it, right? But it's not owned by any company. There is no CEO of Ethereum, is there? Right? It's just there. It's like, it's just there. And you can do stuff on it as long as you can pay, right? And so it's pretty interesting. But all right, let's get back to Goldman Sachs, though. Obviously, everybody knows who Goldman Sachs is. Major banking firm in America. And so now from the bankster perspective, you know, when other banksters see Goldman Sachs stepping on into the scene, they launched their Bitcoin trading desk in May. And then what are we at? May, June. So 1 month later, they're offering Ethereum trading desk. If I'm a bankster or a hedge fund guy or even just an institutional guy like that, I'm like, daggone. Goldman's going in. And everybody knows Goldman's not stupid. That's smart money. You know, some of the smartest money that you're ever going to find. And so when you hear Goldman going in, you know, if you're a bankster and you're at a smaller bank, regional bank, whatever, You want to play with the big boys. You want to, well, you're not stupid. If Goldman's making money off it, well, you can too. And so you're going to copycat. Like I said a million times, this is a copycat world. And yeah, well, if some guy's giving away a product here, well, I'm going to do the same. Right? It's like the hamburgers. Like McDonald's came out with a hamburger. Right? And so someone else came out with a hamburger. Then McDonald's was like, oh yeah? Well, I'm going to put cheese on mine. Cheeseburger. And then someone else was like, me too. Bang! We'll slap a piece of cheese on it. And then, it's copycat. It's copycat. Right? I mean, obviously McDonald's, they patented the Big Mac, so you're not allowed to do that, but people try. And so that's how everything goes. It's a copycat world. Goldman Sachs coming out with an Ethereum trading desk is amazing. Like on an individual level, it's awesome. Obviously, takes Ethereums off the market and stuff like that. But what I really love about the Goldman Sachs story is just Goldman Sachs is Goldman Sachs. They're huge. They're mega. And so when everyone sees Goldman is doing this, well, they're going to jump on board and do it too, right? Or at least try. So, Ethereum hodlers, buy. And then finally, the SEC extends Kryptoin's Bitcoin ETF application by 45 days. And so, well, that's just a little update for you guys. There's not really to say about it. Well, I mean, I guess I could say at least it wasn't a denial. And when you hear that, well, we're going to look at it for 45 more days. Well, all right, at least you're looking at it, And like I've shown you, like I've said, we got the ETPs and with the Germans, Switzerland, and we've got the ETFs up in Canada, right? 3 Bitcoin, 3 Ethereum, right? So 6 altogether up there. And so if you're not seeing market manipulation, then I don't see because when Jay Clayton, I'm an asshole with him. Well, he was an asshole with us. So I'm not going to take that kind of behavior. I'm going to be an asshole to him too. But in honest truth, there were no ETFs and ETPs for him to kind of look at, right? So he's a little pussy and he was scared and he didn't approve anything. But now there's no excuse. We have examples of properly working ETFs, properly working ETPs all across Europe. Well, not all across Europe, but in Germany, Switzerland, and Canada. And plus, we had a couple over there in Asia and then a couple in South America, right? Or something. But just the main ones are the European ones and the Canadian ones. There's no manipulation there. There's no market manipulation happening. And so you really have no excuse as an SEC chairman to say no. Because now you see them in the wild. You see them being used. And everything's fine. I mean, Canada, think about how small Canada is. Think about how easy it would be to manipulate that market. And it hasn't happened. And so I guess what I'm trying to say is, well, you should make an ETF. And I'm cautiously optimistic that we will get one this year. And I emphasize the word cautiously. Okay, I emphasize that word. There's more caution than optimism. Let's put it that way, okay, guys? I don't want to blow sunshine up your ass. There's a little bit more caution than optimism. But one thing is when this motherfucker does happen, and it will, like I said, everybody knows Jill and John, they're going to get married one day. It's just a matter of when. And that's what it's all about. And that's why I tweeted that thing the other day, the Tom Petty song, you know. The waiting is the hardest part. All right, don't worry, I won't sing anymore. But, yeah, right? That's how it works, right? It's a lot of hurry up and wait. Although we all know what's going to fucking happen. Can we just get her done? All right, so that's enough. So it is going to happen. We are going to make mega money, and bang, you are going to be rich. So look, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bang, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Look, greatest show. Look. Oh, yeah. In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang, love talking crypto. Bang, this is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you all tomorrow. All right, and until then, subscribe here, press the bell. Watch that video there, greatest of the multiverse, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Come on. Bang. My name's Shomari Clarke, always watching our money, and I am, always on duty. Bang. Yes. That's the key. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out.